Feroze, of course, is a big equity bull. He's just told us that 65 to 80% of investments, at least in the medium to long term, can be towards equities. In which funds, Feroze?
So large, mid and small ratio 55, 23, 22. That's what my 14 fund basket actually refers to. Why am I still bullish, unlike Mohit, on small cap is, like my company is a part of NSE small cap 250. It's the 40th weight. So I look at all the companies from a relative standpoint as a professional. What I realize is 63 companies changed in the last 1 year. So the earnings growth of small cap has not been bad for even FY25. 18% is the growth, but the headline says minus 9%. But 63 companies have gone through a change. So I have to undo that change and then see the growth. This year also the growth potential of small cap is 33%. We look at EPS growth of these 250 companies. If 33% ki earnings growth aati hai, of course, that's an assumption. If that were to come, small caps have to reverse. That's point one. So I will have 22, 23%. I agree with Mohit on the international exposure. I have limited ability to research China, Korea. I don't like to sit here and I have to at least have some research there. So that's why inability is why there's no
global fund.
That's point two. If you want to take global exposure, there are some funds which take it because they're not branded as global funds, like a Parag Parikh Flexi Cap. Takes money, has gold exposure. Even if he doesn't buy global stocks, if I buy into it, I get that same proportion of that day into my portfolio. So those are like workarounds to get some global sensible exposure from a fund manager standpoint. Funds, which is what I think all viewers would be interested in. Invesco India Large Cap Fund, I believe that it can outperform the Nifty 50, which is the objective. Kotak Mid Cap. Mid Cap, har jagah se mid cap mein paisa aata hai. Multi Cap puts money in mid cap. There are only 150 stocks in mid cap.
In mid caps.
All of them put money in this 150
in this mid cap universe,
the
which is only 150
prophecy.
stocks.
Because the $1 trillion is the market cap, free float market cap. People putting in money and there's limited. Of course, large cap, there are 100 in number, but there's more free float there. That's the third one is HDFC small cap, Kotak multi cap, and Bandhan large and mid cap. These are the 5 funds. If one were to buy, which is a subset of my 14 schemes, you will still have the same proportions in large, mid and small.